Meaning of grandiloquent.
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 Grandiloquent. The word grandiloquent is an adjective that describes someone or something that uses lofty, pompous language in order to seem impressive or important. It can be used to describe a person's speech or writing style. A grandiloquent individual may often use complex and elaborate language, which can make their communication difficult to understand for those who are not familiar with the vocabulary being used. This type of language can sometimes be seen as pretentious or over the top. Overall, grandiloquent is used to express the use of overly elaborate and showy language, often with the intention of impressing others.